Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. For more updates, you can follow my channel in Telegram, Facebook, Instagram. So links which are available in the description, just go through once. And guys, today we are discussing about Accenture paper, so which is related for only reasoning questions. Who are preparing for Accenture examination, this video may be help for your preparation part also. And we already done many videos regarding our placements and different competitive examination. All the videos which are available in the playlist, just go through playlist. You can get concepts along with different model papers regarding Infosys, TCS, and Wipro. Now we are going to deal with the Accenture also. So you can get unlimited content. If you want the PDF, you can download this PDF from the Telegram base. Now we'll see the question number one. See, there is a question which is represented with a mirror diagram. See, if a mirror is placed line MN, and which of the answer figure is right image of given figure? Guys, you just focus on the projections. If you guys are good at projections, then you can solve this question. Now see, just tell me that which is the exact mirror image of given object. Now see, you just focus on that. This is exactly a northeast. In any manner, northeast always become northwest. You want these reflection. So you can eliminate option A. So you can eliminate option C. Why? Because the arrow is showing towards. See, arrow is showing towards southeast. So that's why you can eliminate option A and option C. And the next part, you have to place your dot here. So it can be exactly northeast corner. So still there is a chances. See the diagram which is exactly focus the arrow. Focus the arrow. Just represent that figure in this way. So we want that shape here. And again, there is a line cross mark. You can use this cross mark. Now see which is the best option. So option B or option D means. So option D is exact answer. Why? Because the image reflection, if you observe that image reflection, it shows the towards the arrow. That's why I have to choose the option is D. Done. First one. Question number two. There is a question related for blood relations. Observe the connectivity and give me the relation exact. Let's see the question number two. Akhil is the maternal uncle of Rashmi, and Ramesh is the father of Rashmi. And how is Ramesh related to the Akhil? See, there is a relation, connectivity, focus on that. So, Akhil is the maternal uncle of Rashmi. So, maternal uncle means Rashmi's mother's brother is Akhil. Maternal uncle means mother's brother. And Ramesh is the father of Rashmi. So, Ramesh is the father. So, Ramesh is the father of Rashmi. Ramesh is the father of Rashmi. Then how is Ramesh related to the Akhil? So Ramesh related to the Akhil means Akhil's sister husband. Sister husband always related for brother-in-law. Again, option is A, guys. Very good, Manushree. Just go through the questions and post your answer in the comment section, guys. Next one. And you just identify the relation between the colors. See, generally we have a different kind of colors. Primary colors, the secondary. You must understand that what is primary color and secondary color and tertiary color. If you know that the difference between primary and secondary, then you can choose this option, guys. See, what is primary colors means red, blue, yellow. These three colors are primary colors. Yeah. And the secondary colors, see, secondary colors orange, green, and violet. So, what is tertiary means it's a combination of both primary and secondary. So combination of both the colors is a tertiary colors. Now see the question. Here we have to represent those information in diagram part. See primary colors red and blue. You already know that. See there is a no common relation between the red and blue, but both colors are related to the primary colors. That's why we can choose option A. This is C. This is we can call it as a red color. This is the red maybe. This is the blue, and the both the colors which are represented for primary. That's why the suitable option for these three identities are option A. There is a question related for coding and decoding. See, there is a question. See, certain code language failure. Failure is coded as F R U L I A, G. That is a code language. If you identify the code language, you just apply same code language for success and you have to choose your option. Now see, what is that C? You can get same alphabetical R here, U here, L here, I here, A here. There is only change in first letter and last letter, guys, and remaining to be reversed. See, E become a F, that is +1, and F become a G, it's a +1. It means if you write the same code language for success, so S become a +1, S become a +1, T, and the next letter is S. You just write down same thing, E, C, C, U, and S become a T. Now your option is T, S, E, C, C, U, T. You have to choose that option. Now question number 255. You just find that. So if you just use those numbers and identify that what is the number is missing, you just replace with the question mark. Now see, so we can say one thing. See, so 4 cube plus 7 square, 64 plus 49 exactly equal to 113. We got the relation. Same way, 5 cube plus 6 square is equal to 161. So you have to take bottom as a cube number and the above number is square number. So 3 cube is 27, 2 square is equal to 4. The missing number here, 31, guys. 31 is the answer. Next. Here there is a mathematical relation, guys. Whatever the mathematical operation, you should follow V Boardman's rule. So you already know that the priority goes for based on the letter only. V is a Venn, it is a representation of bar. And you have to solve. Next priority goes for brackets. Next one is off. Next one is division. And the next one is multiplication. And the next one is addition. And the final priority goes for subtraction. Now just replace here A denotes for added, B denotes for divided, and C denotes multiplied, D denotes subtracted. Now 154, and here B denotes divided by 11 and C denotes multiply. So 11 is multiple with a 6 and A denotes added 2 and D denotes, here the D denotes subtracted 27. You just identify the relation. First go through these concepts. So as per the order, you have to do first division part. So here 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are. So 14 into 6 plus 6 minus of 27. The same way. So 16 fours are 84 plus 6 minus of 27. The final resultant here 90 minus 27 is equal to 60. 63 is the correct one. So which set of letters when sequentially placed at the gaps in the given letter series shall complete it? Just identify that what is the missing part. See, for these kind of questions, you see these kind of questions, either you can go with the option verification. Otherwise, just observe that how many letters are there. If you see, if you compare both question and options, we can see S, T, R. These are the three letters they are using. Just observe that. Maybe S, T, R. S, T, R. Next one, maybe R, T, S. S, T, R. RTS again STR. So maybe we thought that TRST is the one of the options. So TRST. So TRST, we can see that option. You can choose that as either you can go to option verification. You just verify one to one option. Otherwise, see, observe that how many letters are there. Then what is the pattern? Maybe they followed. You just go through the trial and error base. Next one. So these are the very base question. If you understand that particular theory part, then you can get your option, guys. Now see the question. See, in a compass, West direction shown as a south. So in the compass, it shows wrong, like west shows south. So we can say that the compass makes wrong angle by 90 degrees. Here's the question. Which direction should a man go to if he wish to move towards east? The person is moving towards east as per the wrong compass. See, as per the wrong compass, he makes an angle of 90 degrees wrong. Now, east minus 90 degrees, the person is moving in north direction. Answer is north. Next, missing number question. It's very good, Nanatarun. Find the missing number. See, 88, which is divided by 4, then you can get 22. The next number is 25. We have to do only one thing, plus 3. Next, which is divided by 5, then only you can get 5. And again, if you add plus 4, then only you can get 9. See, divided by 4 plus 3 divided by 5 plus 4. Again, I want 3 by 2. So, how it is possible? Next number must be divided by 6. 9 divided by 6 is equal to 3 by 2. Alternative C. 4, 5, 6. And next number 3, 4. So, you already get a here by the 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 plus 5. So, 3 by 2 plus 5, the value becomes 13 by 2 guys. 13 by 2 is the correct answer. Next, again, it's completely option verification. You have to replace with a few symbols. See, minus stands for division, plus stands for multiplication, and division is for subtraction, and multiplication is addition. And which one of the following equation is exactly correct? Again, you should just verify through Boardmas rule only. You just take a option number A. 6. You have to replace with the plus with the multiplication, 20, and minus. So you have to replace minus for division. See, remember guys, 20 is not divided by 12. No need to verify the answer. If 20 is not divided by 12, you can get the fraction, means decimal part. So 1 is not a correct equation. Just observe that. You just focus on minus and division. Where is the minus? So if I minus, instead of minus, you have to use division. Again, 6 is divided by 20. Pin for the decimal calculation. So wrong one. Again, if you observe that, see, there is a chances minus stands for division. Again, C is also wrong one. No, just observe that last one. And 7 is divided by 1. Okay, there is a chance for option D. 6. Division. Division is stands for subtraction. And multiplication is stands for addition. And plus stands for division. So plus stands for multiplication. Minus stands for division. Now see, as per the part, 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7, and 7 into 12 is equal to 84, and you have to subtract it 14 units. So the final resultant is 70. Yes, option number 4 is exactly suitable equation. Next. See the next one. Square is related for cube in the same way circle is related for. See, what is the relation? You just identify that what kind of relation they're given. Now see, it's like a square is a two-dimensional and a cube is a three-dimensional. In the same way, circle is a 2D representation. What is a 2D representation of 3D representation of circle means it's a sphere. 2D, 3D, two-dimensional, three-dimensional, 2D, 3D. You just find these relations, then you can apply that. Then only you can choose your answer is sphere. Guys, if you guys are preparing for Infosys, definitely you can expect these kind of missing numbers. Means diagrammatical puzzles. So it carries maybe 1 mark, 2 marks, or sometimes you can expect the same questions for 3 marks also. That is completely based on your understanding skill and what kind of numbers given, what is the approach. You just improve those things, guys. It's very good, Nana Sarath. Now see 18, 19, 35. How, see, we just use any two numbers, it become a third number resultant. That is the only one chance. Now see, 18 plus 9, 18 plus 19. So they given as 18 plus 19 is equal to how much? 37. But they given as 35 means I just subtracted 2, it become a 35. Next one, 22 plus 24. So 22 plus 24, the value become 46. But they given as 43 means you have to subtract it 3, then only you can get 43. And the next one, see, 26 plus 27, the value is 53, but you have to subtract next consecutive number 2, 3, 4. You have to subtract it 4. Now you have to choose your option is 49. It's a series based relation. It's very good, Nana. Rekha, Tarun, very good. Keep going. Next one, you just analogy. You already know that analogy means it's a similar kind of relation. You just identify that what is the relation between the jailer and prison, and you have to place same relation for curator is dash. You just identify that relation. So jailer is the jailer and prison and curator. See, jailer is the custodian of prison. So he was taken everything by jailer only for prison. In the same way, curator means you have to say that that is related for museum. See, simply see, curator is the person like he is a keeper. He is a keeper or custodian person. Means he was take care of everything. So he was take care of everything for museum. Yeah, that's why you have to choose that is museum part. Very good. Next, Brazil, Russia, China, South Africa. Just some. So one country is missing. What country it is, and why we are placing that country. See, a series is given with one term is missing. Choose the correct alternative from the given ones that will be complete that series, guys. Yes, very good, Nana Sarath. So, which country is missing? Now, tell me why we have to place that country. That is also most important for us. So, Brazil, we have Russia, we have China, and South Africa. Which country is missing? India or Indonesia, Iran or Japan? If you place some country, why? Give me the reason. See, we miss India, guys. Why? Because the series is a combination of BRICS countries. Yeah, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. So if you complete this series, you must know what is BRICS. Then you have to place that it is related for India. Very good, Nana. Next. There is a blood relation question. Just find the connectivity. Now, Rajesh is a father-in-law of Neha. See, father-in-law of Neha means Neha's spouse. Father is Rajesh. Spouse, we are not sure with the gender. Rajesh. And so there is information and Akash is the only son. Akash is the only son of Rajesh. So Akash is the only son. Akash is the only son of Rajesh means Neha is the wife of Akash. Now question, how is Akash related to the Neha? Akash related to the Neha, we can say that the person Akash is the husband of Neha or Neha is the wife of Akash. The simple relation. It's very good, Nana Vaibhav. It's husband. Next, there is a one more comparison here. Now see the speed of Duranto is more than the speed of Rajdhani. So Duranto is speed is more than Rajdhani. Shatabdi moves faster than Garib Rath. Shatabdi is more speed than Garib Rath. But see, remember, bird and end, these kind of relations represented for against Shatabdi. Shatabdi is slower than Rajdhani. Shatabdi is slower than Rajdhani means Rajdhani is having a more speed than Shatabdi. And you already know that Duranto is greater than Rajdhani. So this is the relation we can get from this statement. Now the question C. Which one is the slowest? As per the whole comparison, Garib Rath is the slowest train. G. Slowest, you have to identify the slowest part. No, Duranta is the highest speed when compared to the all things. Tarun, check it out. It's Garib Rath. Next, we have syllogism question. Now, see, some children are adults. Some children are adults. Some adults are old. Just represent your information in the diagram. Now, see, remember, guys, if any positive statement never concluded any negatives, so you can choose this is completely wrong. Why? Because still we can able to assume every relation. It can be all child as a adult, all adult are old, all child can be a old, all old can be a child. There is a many possibilities for these kind of statements. But if you know one particular term like positive, see, we have a positive like all comma sum is a positive kind of statements. Any positive never concluded any negative directly you can choose your option is neither of any conclusion is does not follows. Positive never conclude any negative. See, positive statement. For example, if I am taking all concludes positive conclusion only. Positive conclusion means maybe you can expect that all comma some cases. The same way, negative statement. Like no is a completely negative statement. So negative statement always concludes negative conclusions. Like maybe no is a one negative, some not is a one negative, and all not is another negative. Remember, positive never define negative and negative never define positive. So if you know that particular point, you without any diagram, you can choose the option is neither nor. Next, just use those identities and give me that. What is the value of A 56 and A 44? See guys, if you see these numbers 49, you can understand that 49 and 169 is the perfect square number. See 21, 49, 14. It means the difference of these two numbers, the difference of these two numbers is 7 and the perfect square become a 49. In the same way, the difference of 159 and 146 is 13. 13 square is a 169. Now the difference of 40, 56 and 44 is equal to 12. Now your answer is 12 square is equal to 140. Now see, another question related for coding and decoding. In a certain code language, bal is written as 27, cane is written as 23. Then how L is written in that code language? Now see, bal means you already know that sum of alphabeticals, sum of alphabet positions. Now you can get bal is equal to 27. Why? Because B is 2, A is 1, L is 12, L is 12. So 12, 24, 25, 27. So sum of alphabetical position. So Y is 25, E is 5, L12, L12. Now the sum of all these numbers 30 plus 24 is equal to. We have a one arrangement question. Just go through that question, guys. I will give a minute time. Just go through that information and try to arrange the whole information. Remember, guys, while solving any puzzles or arrangement, don't read any statement more than once and don't take any possibilities without with a primary data. If you read any primary data, don't go with a direct possibility and try to finish the data as early possible. Make some note points. Don't read any statement. Make some note points. If you're done with the overall reading part, then go with the possibilities. What are the possibilities based on the given statement? Now see that we have six girls A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in a row facing north. They are facing north. Six persons. 3, 4, 5, 6. And A to F. And they're facing north means first right side condition, left side condition, you fix it. And there is a six boys who are facing south. But not necessary in the same order. The particular person goes for P to U. And this is for left side and the following information known about them. They given about the information. Now see, B sits second to the right of the person who sits opposite to the B. We don't know. Someone is opposite to the B. Someone is opposite to the B. B sits second to the right. Now opposite to the person, first right and second right. B sits second to the right of that particular person. Read that information carefully, guys. Make some points. Don't go with initial possibilities. Next one. B does not sit any extreme end. So B is not at any ends. B is not at ends. And C and D are immediate neighbors of B. There is another data. CD are immediate neighbors of B. CD are immediate neighbors of B, and one of them sits at extreme ends. So either C or D sits at end position. E sits second to the left of D. E sits second to the left of D. E sits second to the left of D. But not opposite to the R. So here but is represented for E. E is not opposite to the R. Every note point is important for us, remember. P is the neighbor of R. P is the neighbor of R. Neighbor. Side by side person, but not opposite to the F. Who is not opposite to the F? P is not opposite to the F. Neither Q nor T adjacent to P. So if I'm consider P here, take a note point, fifth point here. If I'm taking P here, so neither Q nor T. Neither Q nor T is not adjacent to P. We can't place adjacent for P. T is adjacent to either R or Q. So another sixth point. T is adjacent to either R or Q. We have to identify that T must be one of the neighbor of either R or Q, but not both. You never consider not both. U is the neighbor of the person who sits opposite to the E. So there is a someone is opposite to the E, the neighboring person. So the neighbor person is E. There is a one person is opposite to the E. Remember, guys, there is a one person opposite to the E. U is the neighbor of that person. So done. So that is the whole data we have. Guys, you already know that one of the person, either C or D, is one of the immediate neighbor. For example, if I thought that here, for example, if I thought that here, definitely we have to place B here. If I place B here, remember, if you place B here, as per the data, we have to place one of the person is second right. So there is a one possibility P. Another possibility 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I place B here, so we can place P here. That is the our information. Second right, no, first right and second right. We have to place P here. There is a chances of B here only. Now either C or D is the immediate neighbors of B. C or D is the neighbors of B. So done with the point number 1. B is not at any ends. And you already know that D second left person is E. D second left person means you can confirm here by the C only. You can confirm here by the C only. So you can confirm here by the C. If I confirm either C or D. So if I confirm C or D, we can't place E as per the given data. So we can confirm these case. So here by the C, here by the B, and here by the D. So we can eliminate one of the possibility. Now we can place P here. So D second left is E. We can confirm here by the E. Done with the point number 3. And P and R are adjacent to each other, not opposite to the F. So we can place R here or here or here. Whatever the R place, we can't place with the F. One. So if I place E opposite person, one of the immediate neighbor is U. You can place here or here. Next one. So we left with the two persons A to F. So we left with the A and we left with the F. See that any information related for A or F. We'll go to another possibilities. Now next one. So TRQ. So TRQ. We have P and R are immediate neighbors. There is a chance of C. We'll go to possibilities again. Okay. Sorry, just missed the any point. P is the second to the right of the person who is opposite. Second to the right. No, sorry, we have to place P here. Second to the right. right of person. Now we have to place one more person. Then we have to place P here. Now I thought that maybe see one of the neighbor U means you can confirm U here. E opposite person, one of the neighbor is U. We can confirm U here. And P and R are opposite to each other. It is not opposite. Sorry, P and R are adjacent to each other, and P is not opposite to the F. We can't place F here, so we can confirm F here. Now left with A. And with the fourth point, and the E is opposite to the R. So E is not at all opposite to the R. You can't place R here means we can confirm R here. One. Every point is important for us, guys. Done with this point, done with arrangement. So T is the neighbor of either R or Q, not immediate one. So we can confirm the T here. You can't place Q here. Why? Because but not both. So you can confirm here by the maybe T is the one of the possible here. T can be a possible here. We are not sure. So we're done with the P R and we miss any point. P is not adjacent to either Q or T. We can't place Q or T. So definitely these are the two places for Q or T. Why? Because P is not a neighbor of either Q or T. Now we left with one person that is S. Next one Q or T. Now you already know that we can't place Q. Why? Because T is the neighbor of either one of the person, not adjacent to both. So we never confirm here by the T. So you can confirm here by the Q, here by the T. Every bit of information is most important, guys. So done. So the final arrangement U S P R Q G, and here by the F E. So go through the options, everyone. A D B C. Very good, Nanavebo. Choose your options now. Who is opposite to the C? As per the arrangement, who is opposite to the C person T? Who sits second to the left of R? Second to the left of R is again T. First left and second left. Exactly second person. If SDR interchange their positions, SDR interchange their positions, then who sits immediate left of D? Now, if I place D here, immediate left person is P. Four of the following file like in a certain way, and so form a group. Find what one which does not belong to that group. UA, PB, E and B, C. UA. You can say in this diagonal. PB, DS. So we can say that DS. There is one person diagonally opposite to each other. CR, CR. Next one, DT. E, E. Now see guys, we have a UA. Next one, we have a PB. And we have a DS. We have a DT. DS and a DT. And finally CR. Which one does not follow the particular rule? Why it is a different? I need your explanation, guys. Keep commenting on that. I need your reason choosing a different one. And final one, which of the following is true according to the given information? UCR extreme ends. Yes, it's a true. R is second to the right of S. Yes. So R is not second to the right of S. R is the second left of S. So one is wrong. Definitely all of the above is also wrong. So that is the first option. You just post your answer, guys. Why it is completely different? Tell me which option you are going to choose. I need your explanation on the comment box. And this is for you. This is the basic question. Just go through the question and post your answer in the comment section. You just arrange these words in the sequence. See, word of sequence. in the dictionary form. You just arrange all the words in dictionary form. Keep commenting on the chat box. And if you want PDF, guys, I update these PDF in Telegram. You can follow us in the Telegram. All the social networks links are available in the description. Just go through the description. You can reach us anytime. Until the next session, take care. Good night, guys.